Yeah. What's up, man? This is another day with another good video right here, right now. We got a lot to talk about today. Gonna talk about Bollinger Bands and gonna talk about this little one. The way you look at it on the screen, it's raw and clear. Now, what I'm gonna do now is to show you the power of, trading without indicators and trading without any other things. Just look at the chart, the way I'm gonna display. We're gonna use 3 pair, for example. Take it from me, it's gonna be a little bit complicated, but it's gonna be, it's very simple. Now look, everything we need is just a kind of line that looks like this. But when I told you, my line has a real big signal that makes noise. There's a reason for that. I've made a lot of videos I've talked about this line so far. I've put some kind of links of this line inside the video. I know someday some people will find it useful and they go get it. Now look, what I'm trying to say here is that this price has jumped up right from here. Okay, it jumped up, man. It's gone. Alright, great, man, it's gone. Now, what do we expect? Okay, my expectation is that wherever this price has jumped and gone, okay, it's gonna come back around here. Yeah, for sure, this is real. It's nothing to joke about, man. It's coming back. You understand? In the long run, it's coming back here. So we expecting that whenever the price come around this line one more time, we'll be looking to buy again and target this place where it turns around. Okay, good. That's not everything. When it has bought from here by shooting up on, alright, now what did that price, what has it done? It got here and began to do what? Began to sell. Okay, now we're gonna do this line a kind of horizontal red line, man. Let's separate the colors to know this is sell zone. Oh wow, brother. Yeah, good. What is the idea in between this thing that I'm talking about right here? This thing jumped up from here, okay, and then it flew to this place, or making this place, as it reversed, make this place a sell zone. And then what? It came back here. Okay, my friend. Okay, it came back here. Now, wait. Let's do it this way. Come on. It jumped up. It came back here then. This is a buy zone. Oh, horizontal line. Green is a buy zone. Make it a buy zone, man. Now, what happened? Okay, what happened? This price came here. We know this is a buy. So definitely what's gonna happen? Then it's going here. We're gonna wait. We're gonna see what is going on. It's going here. Now, this price started to buy all the way from here and got here. Alright? Even dive above this line. Okay? It dive above this line. Breaking it. Okay, breaking this sell zone. Okay? But that does not mean that this sell zone has been 100% violated, because in the future, when the price is coming back to come to this level here in the future, it's gonna come back for real. What is going on here is that it's gonna rally down under this sell zone and it's gonna retest and then continue to drop. Alright, this is the future view of this thing. Well, I'm not gonna talk about it now. Let's finish what we're putting on here. Now, this one started from here, rallied down here, sold, came to this point. Remember, this is the point where it created this sell zone. Now, what happened? Began to drop. Now we're gonna put another sell line right here. Come on, it creates another sell here. Let's make it I know a lot of people using this strategy. I know. Put the sell line there, man. Makes that place a sell zone. Now, got here, began to drop, okay, drop, this retest, this sell zone, you see, a retest of this sell zone has happened a lot, and then began to drop. Now, what happened, my dear? What happened? Now, look at what happened. Let's show you something. It got a buy zone right here to make this place a buy zone. Okay, it's making this place a buy zone. Okay, this is a buy, and the buy zone is here. This jump up, man, make this place a buy zone, but see where it end up. Still being pulled back or rejected by this sell zone right here. Boom. So what was it doing now? Okay, what was it doing now? You see, it's gone up, man. Okay, it's gone up, and this is where it came. Okay, but we've seen it done something like this before, coming here to make what? To make this a buy zone. Yes, to make this a buy zone. Alright, we've seen it. It's making this place a buy zone all together, man. And that's why we've seen it doing this. This is a buy zone and came here and make this place a sell zone. Let's do this thing. Let's draw this line. Let's make it little bit cute, lovely, and the beautiful stuff right here, man. Let's make it so we can see it properly, you know, and view the future movement of the price. Now look, oh, the head and the shoulder pattern is formed. Then what does this mean? Okay, it's gonna go down. It's gone down. Sat on this thing. Okay, the head and the shoulder pattern is bouncing here. But now, what is going on? It's on the buy zone. Okay, then it's gonna break out of all these levels and go up. That is what is gonna happen there. To show you that this strategy looks little bit confusing, but for those who knows it, if you can do this type of line and identify these levels, I guess you will understand this movement of the price properly. If I wanna finish everything up right now and make it a little bit spicy, price doesn't respect trend lines, but we have located our 2 steps trend line. That as the price is moving the way it's going now, it's in between this buy and this sell line. It's got 2 things to do. Could break up and continue to go, whatever. But we know it's sitting on a kind of important level of support around here. If you see where price has done a lot of oscillation, retesting, or whatever, all this type of noise in the market around this place, and then it broke out and come to sit on top of it, man, this is going up. Do you get the power of how to read the levels in the market? Because all these lines you saw me draw has become very important and significant level in this market. Look at this thing. Noise, retest, difficulties, hindrances, but what happened finally? It shoot and gone. Boom. Look at this level here. Very important, difficult level. You know, now it's going up, right? It's going up. It's making all these important levels where I've drew this line. But when it's coming down, these levels are the important levels it will come and start breaking to go down. Now, what are we gonna do when it's going down? You see, what we're gonna do, you see all this sell zone here is just to take one pending order sell and put it there. When it has gone and broke above this level here, it's gone too far. You know, just identify your level. Is it a buy level or a sell level? Just pend one sell order there. If it's a sell level, pend it and forget it. You can just pend one there and target these far away levels here, which is gonna come in the future, and forget it, man. You understand? Now, how do you know it's coming down? Now you will understand it's coming down. That is the point, and that is the secret of this one, this trend line that I put here right now. That is the day you will know it's coming down. When this trend line, this red, this one I'm touching now, when it's being violated from the top, because this one is moving now like it's going to go up, and up. But one day, it will get to a point where this trend line here that I put now is violated. That is the day we're going down. And if you get that, if you draw your levels properly, this type of levels, you draw it properly, you understand? At that point, you'll be able to know exactly where to go and pen your sell order. So, would I have loved to make this one so long a little bit? But I thought we're going to use a kind of 3 examples. But now I look at it, my time is not even enough. So I think only this one example is enough to make a little bit of sense to whoever is using this naked chart system style or strategy. You understand? So, thank you so much, man. You see this video on Facebook. You're going to see this video on YouTube also, man. You know, watch out. I put some description link under this video. You check it out, man. Thank you so much. Signing off. This is your man from the Forex Factory Strategy. I'm signing off. See ya.